In this video I'm going to do a little test. Container potatoes grown in grass clippings versus compost. So they all get the same start. The 20th of March is when I actually planted them, but I'll chit them before for 3 to 4 weeks in the shed. Don't be tempted to do this in a dark cupboard, otherwise you'll end up with huge sprouts that will probably just snap. A cool light place is ideal, and as you can see, these are Saxons. Then they'll all get a bed of compost with some chicken pellets to give them a good start. So this is just a little test really to see if it's worthwhile. As you'll see, it's not too scientific, but I always think it's good when you can reuse materials, and this compost is also homemade. So I've got a few inches of compost on the bottom. It goes without saying larger pots are better for potatoes. Cover the potatoes with a good few inches of compost and the same with the grass clippings, and give them all a good watering in. Container grown veg always need more water, so I try to do this daily, but truth be told, due to work commitments and family life, they've probably got around 4 heavy waterings per week. People also slightly bury the containers as they hold the water better, so this is completely up to you. So when you see the leaves starting to poke through, keep covering them with another layer of grass or compost, just inch by inch, so you're essentially building lots of layers. Don't be tempted to fill the whole bucket, particularly with the grass clippings, as this will become a slimy, smelly mess, so little and often is key here. So harvest time. We'll start with the grass clippings, so remember these are second early, so they are going to be quite small. The idea being you plant these earlier in the season, then pop in the main crops, you get a fairly constant supply. So as you can see, it actually works. I do think additional watering would definitely have helped, because you can see in a second with the compost grown potatoes the results are fairly similar. So potatoes are really easy to grow, so great for beginners and also for people who don't have an allotment or garden. These can be grown easily in backyards or anywhere you can put a pot. They do require a decent amount of sun, so do bear that in mind. It's a fairly similar. The grass clippings potatoes are on the right, a little bit green, so I probably should have put some more clippings in the container. And compost on the left, so fairly similar, not too bad.